Hello there, fairbinaryoptions.com here, and we are continuing our previous not analysis, our previous or our first part with channeling with Pitchfork and how to trade binary options, or how to derive, how to find the channel using the Pitchfork tool. And on the first part we described the very basics of the Pitchfork, what does it mean, where to find the tool, the medium line, the upper medium line, the lower medium line, and so on. In this part I would like to take a classical example. This is the Euro-USD, as you can see on the daily chart, so careful when choosing the expiration date on such a Pitchfork. And if you go right from the top with the first pivot, if you want P0 or P1 like this will be the first pivot in the 1.40 right from the top. Then you click on the possible first wave in terms of Elliott waves to the downside in here, and then you can put the Pitchfork as you want. As you can see, you can even spine it like this. It doesn't really matter because the proportions are the same. And then we go with the end of the possible second wave to the downside like this. And just like that, we have a Pitchfork in here, or a channel that is being drawn to the downside. We may even, let's say, change the structure of these three lines. Let's try to edit here. Not the price, is the level, the foreground color, and let's see in here levels like this. So we have what? We have the 61.8, 100%, 161.8, and so on. Let's go with 100%, and we go with, let's say, not in red, let's make it in blue, like this. And this will be the 100%. You can change the color for those levels, or you can edit the tool as you want. Now, we are interested in the channel that is derived here, and the channel that is derived based on the three pivot points that we identified at the beginning. Where we clicked on the 1.40 level, we click on the possible end of the first wave to the downside, and we click on the possible end of the second wave in here to the upside. The resulting channel is, let's say, saying everything on or it's saying everything about Pitchfork and everything about the medium line. Remember, the medium line has the property, or the property of the medium line is to attract price, as it is acting like a magnet. Every time market goes into the upper medium line, it is being sent into the lower medium line, and into the medium line and into the lower medium line as well. What I would be interested in here, being a bearish Pitchfork, is to look for put options every time market stays around the upper medium line, and to exit, or not to be interested into staying on the short side or taking put options anymore by the time market reaches the medium line, because as the medium line is being reached, it doesn't have the characteristic of a support and so on, but only attracts price. So waiting on a bearish Pitchfork, waiting for price to come in the upper medium line would be the way to go. For what? For a move into the medium line. When this comes, we are not interested into put options anymore. Market comes again into the upper medium line, we go and trade put options as well. But all the time take into account the fact, or let's say all the time taking into account the fact that we should adjust the expiration date on the time frame the tool is being used. In this case, we may even try a call options by the time market goes into the lower medium line now, with what? Until price reaches the medium line. Now it does that in 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, so 4 days. Depends very much on the expiration date, dates that binary option brokers are offering at that very area. But it might be end of day, it might be end of week. It depends on the day as well. And by the time market comes into here, we may be interested into buying call options as well in here. What I'm trying to say is that the medium line has the characteristic of attracting price, while the upper medium line or the lower medium line should be used for identifying support and resistance. In this case, dynamic support and resistance, because the resistance level here, it is keep falling, but still it is there, and the support as well. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great day. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy project, as we have a lot of interesting stuff for the technical analysis part. Bye bye.